So how's everybody doing today? Basically what I wanted to do is continue the video series on Goodbye Emergency Fund Catcher. Before we actually get into the preventive maintenance programs for the different roofs, I wanted to cover some terminology that roofers and people in the roofing industry use, just so you're familiar with those terms, because pretty much we don't know what else to call it. And so I found that these are usually words that my customers or clients usually look at me with that questioning look, like, what are you talking about? So first, let's talk about the roofing system. The roofing system itself is basically the entire structure of the roof, everything from the walls up. That's considered the roofing system. Everything that works together to get water off your roof and out of your house. So the next thing you run with the roofing system, the first thing you're going to run into is either the rafters or trusses. Rafters are the rib-like looking structures that go on top of the walls that the roof is built on. These days, most roofs are made with trusses instead of rafters. Rafters can only hold so much weight, and so they build trusses. The difference is trusses are pre-manufactured and then shipped to the site already built. So all they have to do is really attach them together and put them up on the walls to do the roof. And that's the main difference between rafters and trusses. Most houses, like I said, these days are made from trusses. It's just a reinforced rafter so that it can hold more weight. After that, you're going to have your roofing material. And that's everything basically from the decking up. So what goes on top of your rafters is your decking. Your decking is usually plywood or OSB. Either is fine at a certain thickness. And that's what goes on top of the rafters. And then all your roofing material goes on top of your decking. So anything above the decking is considered the roofing material. Usually what goes on top of the decking next is what we call an underlayment. Your underlayment is basically a water shedding membrane that is protecting the decking to get the water off your roof. It's usually made out of felt, but these days a lot of companies are using a synthetic underlayment because synthetic underlayments last longer and give you a better, longer warranty. Also, part of your roofing material is your flashings. Flashings are impervious type material, usually made out of metal like lead or aluminum. And they're used to protect things and get water away from things like roof penetrations, transitions, and changes in the roof angle. So that's basically what a flashing does. It's just there to protect the decking so that water doesn't get to the decking and into your house. A roof penetration is anything that comes through the roof cover. Your roof cover is the material that you can see from the ground, like the shingles or the tiles that's on your roof. That's your roof cover. And a penetration is anything that comes through that roof covering. Transitions are intersections between the roof tile or your roof cover and any other material, like a wall or a chimney or something like that. That would be a transition. And flashings go into transitions. And then any changes in your roof angle, there should be a flashing there to protect that opening anywhere where water can penetrate. So that's basically the first terminology that you're going to use. Again, we have the roofing system, which is the entire structure. We have your rafters or trusses that are put down first, and then your roofing material goes on that, which is your decking, and then your underlayment, and your flashings, and then your roof cover. And then your flashings protect roof penetrations, transitions, and changes in your roof angle. So I hope that helps you in some of the terminology you're going to use when you see the roof reports. Sometimes those terminologies are in there. I just wanted you to be familiar with those so you understand what those are. We'll cover more terminology as we go through the actual preventive maintenance programs for your particular roof. Until next time, thank you for watching.